Okay, we're leaving now. We're going to the sandbar. Manhuyod, guys. So, 2 days vacations. Bais. Okay, heaven. Okay, this is the place. The result of Aroma Beach Resort. Campuyo. Yeah, Campuyo Aroma Beach Resort. We just arrived. Okay, guys. Just look the hotel, Walter Steck? Tanawa raw.
Oo, naka-reserve siya karon.
Tanahon niya yang kuan daw. Tanahon niya yang
Oo, wagi para
oh, gipa-reserve.
Okay.
Namo kuan gapon din ni ma'am, kanang for boat going sa kuan,
Sandbar?
sandbar.
Naa, ma'am.
Oh, dinhi manugkad.
Dili din ni mo. Bawas pa na kayo dito.
Okay. Dito na ang kuan. It's like function hall, ano? A lot of function hall. Karon, ma'am. Kung maangayan ni sir ni mo kay iya pang gatanawon. Hmm? Lubi coconut. It means lubida coconut. Lawaan. This is lawaan. Okay. Like Nestle play tennis ano? Unsa na murag pitch pickleball san? Pickleball? 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 Yung pickleball? Kawayan. Your Kawayan. Kawayan. They have a step. Be careful. Walay rail die. Here one. Here. Dai kay ano siya kanang maglisod na siya. Dapat punta na yan ano ba? Okay, lisod siya. So, like it. Uy, pakunggan kay Pamili. May manta kay anad banta sa kinauboy. Oh my lord. 2, 4, it's a 5 bed.
Huh?
It's a 5 bed.
Yeah, that's the thing. He's already got his 5 bed. And you got
So they have a ref, small ref. They have a tea.
4,000 for men.
8,000 for two nights. 8,000 for 2 nights. Hmm? Yeah.
Yes.
This is good because they can. You don't need anymore in the park. The ports of the sandbar. They have a. They have a place. They can bring you there. They have a boat. Pila ang kuha nila package?
Sa Canberman, 5,000.
5,000? Okay, I'll just fun.
Swimming pool.
Nice swimming pool dito. Is in the front dito pa. Una. And because we want to run the AC so that it will cool.
Huh?
You decided? No.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna take it. What the hell?
Hold here then there. Oh.
Yeah, letting it down. No problem getting down. Well, it's usually the opposite. Usually it's getting up there, getting down it. Well, I wouldn't be carrying a lot of them out of there. But maybe after a few beers it'll be easier. Yeah, gotta be able to try, because I tell you, you have to walk back and forth to this, it's crazy.
So we park our car there. They have a gym on.
You can ask them if they take cards.
Oh, really?
They don't take cards, they have that.
So let them tell. PNB, they will. Oh, here's the swimming pool. There, oh, swimming pool. No, that's a swimming pool. She said this in the back daw. Other opposite side. Nara swimming pool, oh. Nara daw. Nada pa yun. So quiet. Wide. Wide space. They can swing. They have a swing. Walang swimming pool, ma'am ba? Swimming pool dia?
Wow.
April na ni?
Si Daddy. Sang
Ang
lubo.
isang logo.
Walay Netflix din eh. Walay YouTube.
Ayun sa diya siya.
Be careful here, Hana.
Dagul road.
I know that from now. It's just a thing in the house. Even this.
Napa dito sa tubangan. Ay, sa kuwan.
Kadlok.
Anything that's not even.
Dili ganaan si si Sir ni mo ani. Kay
Okay ra. Magla-watch.
kay siya manggod si makapa.
Pero sir,
Ay.
lalayan ka
I
na.
got it. I got it.
Kay yan tiil dili na kayo ka kuan wala na kayo.
Alalayan na to. Alam, buang nibalik mo kung gala na ko. Alalayan mga sir. Bikingon.
Uy, ang kuan easy. Daddy is here. Kamu dia mo. Dini si Heaven. Dini si Heaven.
Dili siya dito ka. Oh, asa man?
Heaven, this is your place. Okay. Asa ba si Daddy niyo?
Oh my God.
Maybe then niya si Daddy. Okay, this is the room. And this is their bedroom. That's be okay. Nothing is bad. We have a hot shower. Okay. This is. I have a kids of my housemaid with us. I-lock ninyo kay ang easy magkuhan.
See, this old place, I don't like it. Even going across there, there's no screw handrails. So you gotta balance up and down the steps.
Handrails. There.
Where?
You go there. Oh, we just call them. Deliver it. Huh? We asked them. Tay pangayiwalag binoda, Ivy.
Oh yeah, it's only 2 o'clock. I ain't worried about it yet.
Okay.
I ain't looked at that place down there. Maybe it's got handrails or different kinds of steps.
Manggoy handrail. Oh, dapat may handrail.
Well, yeah, but just need that bottom step too.
This one is you can dili siya gaganahan kay walay handrail. Mana? And they have like this,
Seafood.
they have for the handicrafts, like this.
Where?
There, not here. Here is a stair, like this. You step.
Building down there?
That one. This one. But there you
Walk around the front.
oh, front. Here or I should. Okay. You're here. My husband doesn't like it because it's a step. She cannot, no handrail. So she cannot anymore step. Long step. It's hard. With the balance of my husband.
Problem with short steps. It's problem with all steps.
Yeah, it's a high step.
If it doesn't have handrails, if it has handrails, it's no problem.
Huh?
Like you think about the
Okay, we're here. This is the beach, guys, in Campoyo Beach Resort. Here they have a karaoke there. Okay. We're going to this area is Sandbar Porch. So we're going there. This area is going to the sun, so you can ride going to the. It's only 15 minutes away here. I think there. 15 minutes only, guys. The Sandbar porch there. So when you go to the watching the dolphin, the real. Have a cottage here. And you can order also the going there, but it's 5,000 because it's only 5,500. There's a rocks here. So 15 person in their boat, so 5,500. So if you go to the we try to go to the Port Escort. I've seen it's 700, depends. Okay, that's it. Oh, doon banda ang 15 minutes lang dito ang Sandbar. Makita kayo ng dolphin. Ayan. Ito ang beach nila sa Campoyo. Ayan. Pwede ka dito sa booking sa kanila. Kaya lang 15 person. So 5,500. So we're only 5. My gosh. So better we go sa ports. Ayan, yung beach nila dito. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito ang mga cottages nila dito. I don't know what is that. Single, I don't know. Ayan ang mga cottages nila dito. Okay yan. Pwede kayo dito mag ano sa venue sa birthday. CR nila dito comfort area dito. I think room pa rin dito. A, B, C. Mura lang siguro yan. Dito ang CR nila, dressing room. So, makapaglaro kayo dito. Volleyball. Yung may, ewan ko doon, no? Sana? Pickleball. Or tennis, I don't know, pickleball. Ayan, meron pang cottage dito. Nila. Ayan. Ito ang ano nila. May ano pa dyan, function hall. Doon sa banda, dalawa. Function hall, marami pa, Ayan. Ayan sa amin. Doon ang receptionist. Entrance nila. Yan, restaurant dyan. Ito ang restaurant. Ayan. Nasa close kami sa restaurant. Okay, ayan. Solemn ngayon Walang, kasi sabi nila, pag weekends, dumami. Bukas ang dami. Pa weekends na. Dami ang fully book daw sila. Ayun. Ayan, yan, swimming pool doon sa likuran. May swimming pool sila. Hindi ko lang nakita. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Mayroon pang mga dito. Daming cottage nila dito. Ayan. Dito daw ang swimming pool. Tingnan ko nga. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung swimming pool sa Campoyo. Ayan, dito Aroma. Ayan, nakalock. Pwede siguro bukas nila yan. Ayan, nakalock. Ayan, hindi kayo makapasok. Bakit? Ayan. Iwan ko sanang entrance. Sabi, leave your sleeper outside the pool. Okay. Yeah, of course. Ayan. Okay. Yan na po. Yan. So, ang mga chikiting kasama ko ay yung si Heaven at saka yung anak ng housemaid ko ay kasama namin. Okay. This is our vacation. Anniversary with my husband tomorrow. So, this is our plan. Dito kami sa Bais. City Negros. Oriental. So, kasi ang ganda dito is sandbars. Yung wheel, yung dolphin. Makikita. Ito, natulog sila. Sama na, iilisin na ng mga bata kao. Para makaano na sila. Nakakuha na mo? Ay, imo nang gipang pang
Ano nang gibalik dira?
ang katong mga
Dire sir.
okay. Kasi may bago ang dumating. Wow.
Apri na ni?
Si Daddy. Sang lubo.
Isang logo.
Walay Netflix din eh, walay YouTube.
Ayun sa diya siya.
Be careful here, Hana.
Dagun road.
I can get up there. It's just a thing here. Even this.
Napa dito sa tubangan. Ay sa kuan.
Kadlok.
Anything that's not even.
Dili ganahan si Sir ni mo ani. Kay
Okay ra. Magla-watch.
kay siya manggod si makakwa.
Pero sir,
Ay,
lalayan ka
I
na.
got it. I got it.
kay yan tiil dili na kayo ka kuan, wala na kayo.
Alalayan na to. Alam, buang nibalik mo kung dala na ko. Alalayan mga sir. Bikingon.
Uy, ang kuan easy. Daddy is here. Kamu dia mo. Dini si Heaven. Dini si Heaven.
Dili siya dito ka. Oh, asa man?
Heaven, this is your place. Okay. Asa ba si Daddy niyo?
Oh my God.
Maybe din si Daddy. Okay, this is their room. And this is their bedroom. That should be okay. Nothing is bad. We have a hot shower. Okay. This is. I have a kids of my housemaid with us. I-lock ninyo kay ang easy magkuhan.
This old place, I don't like it. Even going across there, there's no handrails. So you gotta balance up and down the steps.
Handrails. There.
Where?
You go there. Or we just call them. Deliver it. Huh? We ask them. Tay pangayowalag binoda Rebe.
Oh yeah, it's only 2 o'clock. I ain't worried about it yet.
Okay.
I ain't looked at that place down there. Maybe it's got handrails or different kinds of steps.
Manggoy handrail o dapat may handrail.
Well, yeah, but just need that bottom step too.
This one is you can dili siya gaganahan kay walay handrail. Mana? And they have like this, they have for the handicrafts, like this. There, not here. Here is a stair, like this. You step.
Building down there.
That one. This one. But there you
Walk around the front.
oh, front. Here, oh, Bim, mana Bim, oh. Hold. Like this, oh. Like this, oh.
Dili hold.
Ana, Bim. Ana.
Don't scared.
Bim.
Ako galing dili ko mag-scared.
Nak.
Oh, see.
Like this. Oh my gosh. Sige, wala siya. Wala siya. Picture lang. Isa mo.
Bali mana. Hold here like Aisha. Oh. You just hold like this. Gabi. Oh. Hold. It doesn't kill you. It doesn't kill you. Oh, doesn't kill mommy, oh. Okay, starfish. Sige, hold. Heaven, up face din eh. Bem. Shell na shell. Oh. Hindi na kayo picturean ta ka. Ililigi na siya mag-bite. Oh, bite. Oh, patay na na. Died. No more teeth. She have no teeth. Oh, she have no teeth. Oh. No, she don't move, oh. Die naman na siya. Heaven. Lagi ka to. Dito man ta paingon kung 15 minutes lagi kuno. Okay. Hunas na oh. Hunas na ang ano. Glow na.
May titay oh.
Mo siguro nilang boat oh. Okay. So ready for fifth. Swing them. They have a function tomorrow, crossable. So, sit down there, Bema. They have their... Be careful. Celestia. Sige na. Here, Dan.
Brothers.
Which one you want? Sit down na, Celestia. Daddy. Daddy is here. No, no, no. For Daddy, that one. Here we are. There. Thank you. Thank you.
Your return request status. Let's see what your return request status is. Buyer did not provide sufficient evidence justified to show that the item delivered were the wrong. Unit is complete and correctly served with no missing, with
Item lang wrong.
no missing wrap bubble, and it's given same as displayed brand unit new.
Yan ang gikuan. Isin. Ayaw pa na bila-bilangan ng kaso. Ayaw po.
Sapaan ko. Dili siya ganahan siguro sa electric fan niya. Oh, nan mo. Uy.
Ayaw may kakuan na na.
Sorry kay Giselle sa akong bana. Uy, why na
Siya ang nagasin.
noise.
Now we
Very noisy. Okay.
Ano yung plate? Maghinay ako.
Sige na niya.
Ano sige kuan-kuan nila?
got spoon wrapped in
You can
it.
get it. That's it. Sinigang po.
Not like the inspector. That old thing is breaded.
Ang kano din ba? Kami na lang. Ito. Closer to mami. Closer to mami.
Ay, wala pa mga picture mo. Wala ka mo. Wala ka mo.
Jury sa mami.
Wala man, lahat mga video.
It's a party, guys. very nice. Oh, they have a pickleball. Pickleball too.
Let's play together.
They have pickleball. We can play there, Ben. We go there. Hina, walk na. Walk faster. Nga akong dalagang girl, little girl. Mura nagdalaga. No. Maglakad, oh. Still young, 8 years old, but para nang bar fitness din.